morning. It's 10:15 in the morning. It is raining right now, but in the morning it was too sunny. So let's start with the time lapse. I know you guys won't be able to see the rain, but it is raining. As you can see, the roads are wet. So guys, this video will be all about a unique product, that is this.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
So you might have tasted creamy peanut butter, crunchy peanut butter, and various types of peanut butter. I usually hate peanut butter because I don't like the taste of it. But when I was in Saudi, I used to eat with peanut butter with honey. It was a ready-made peanut butter with honey. So we used to spread it on caboose and we used to eat it as a breakfast or evening snacks. So I came across a brand called Native Tongue. They prepare peanut butter with more extra flavors. This one is salted caramel with added dark rum, and this one is peanut butter with bedgi chili. So guys, let's taste this. So I am tasting salted caramel with dark rum. Superb, man. I really like the taste of it. Native Tongue, you are the best. So guys, let us taste now peanut butter with bedgi chili. Sorry for the angle change, it is because my camera has stopped recording automatically. I don't know what's the problem. I'll just show it to Nikon. So let's start. Something different. You need to try something different in your life in this lockdown especially. So guys, you can search this Native Tongue on Instagram and on Facebook as well. I hope you guys follow them, and if you want to try, I'll give the link in the description below. You can order it from there, and yes. So that's it for the day, guys. I hope you all have liked the review video of this. Bye, signing off.